You're welcome to my YouTube channel. In this class, we're going to consider how to multiply complex numbers. It's very simple. Multiplying complex number is very simple, but the only difference is that you have to observe the powers of the complex number. The complex the I, you see the imaginary parts. You have to observe the powers, the interaction of the powers. That's the only thing. If not, it's just the same as multiplying uh, the ordinary algebraic expressions, expanding brackets in normal algebraic expression. I believe when we start resolving it, it will be very clear. So it may be this number or any other number, but the most important thing is that we are going to use this to learn or to understand how it can be applied to every other number. The very first thing you need to understand is how to simplify basic complex number, basic powers in complex numbers. So when, for instance, you have I square. What does I square mean? I square in complex number simply means minus 1 is equals minus 1. So if you can resolve things like that, then this is a walkover. Every other thing follows the normal algebraic multiplication principle. So let's delve into the problem on the board immediately. So if you are given this kind of thing to solve, what you need to do is, this is multiplication. Just say z1 multiplied by z2 equals 3 plus I for 2 plus I5. Now, remember, for every complex number, there is a real number part and there is an imaginary part. This part, you see, I4 and I5, simply represent imaginary number parts. So what you need to do is just to multiply as usual, as normal algebraic expansion. So this becomes 3 into 2 plus I5 plus I4 into 2 plus I5. The next thing is to expand, to break the bracket with the numbers we have outside. So this time it is 6 plus I15 plus I8 plus I squared 20. So this is what we have, and we can continue from here. Remember also that both I squared is equal to minus 1. So if we make substitution, it becomes 6 plus I15 plus I8 plus, here is minus 1 multiplied by 20. So if we continue expanding this or simplifying this, we'll have this. Now this is 15. 15 plus 8 is I23, then minus 20. Now we have to arrange this expression to conform to the normal form of a typical complex number expression, where we have the real number part and the imaginary part. So this becomes 6 minus 20 plus I23. 6 minus 20 is minus 14 plus I23. So the product of z1, z sub 1, and z sub 2 is minus 14 plus I23. So this is how to multiply a simple problem in complex number. This is how to multiply simple complex number. So the most important thing is to remember the interactions here. I square in complex number is equals minus 1, and every other thing follows the normal algebraic expansion procedure we know already. So this is how to solve it. I believe you've understood one or two things from the video. Please drop your comments as to what other areas you want us to discuss more. Thank you.